Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP Multimedia speaker. The model number for this particular speaker is DHS-2101. You have a picture of what the speaker is supposed to look like. We will obviously take a closer look. There's some added information, extra information that's attached to this box. For instance, these speakers come with a 12 watt of peak power. It has volume control and it also comes with stereo sound. Okay, more or less the same information on this side, and okay, that's more or less it. No manufacturer information over here. Let's just open this box and take a closer look at the speakers. So yeah, there you have it. This is the HP Multimedia speaker DHS-2101. There are also some documents that came with this particular box. This is a product notice for this particular speaker. Over here we have a quick start guide. There you can see a quick start guide. We'll keep this here as well. This is also another document for product support and a warranty card. Now let's take a look at the speakers. So it has a very nice sleek design to it. You can see this is a matte black finish. I'll give you a closer look. You can check out the matte black finish over here. Very sleek design. It's perfect for when you pair it with a PC. You also have this mesh design right on top and an HP logo over here. There's a volume rocker over here as well, and a port, a 3.5 mm aux port as well. Underneath both of these speakers there are these two anti-skid stops, which makes it pretty stable over here on a flat surface. Now let's take a look at the cable. This is a pretty long cable. This looks almost 1.5 meters or even longer. And as expected there are two folds. There is one and two. So this is at least a 1.5 meter to 2 meter long cable. And at the end of this cable, we have two ports, as is expected of a multimedia speaker. Let me give you a closer look. There you can see. One is a USB-A port and the other is a 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, continuing. I'm going to quickly demonstrate what the sound is like. I'm going to connect this particular speaker to my laptop over here. There, that's my laptop, and I'm going to connect it to the laptop, the speaker to the laptop, and demonstrate the sound quickly. There you go. I've connected, and now let's play some music. So there you heard it. That's pretty clear audio. And that's it. This is what you find in the box containing the HP Multimedia speaker DHS-2101. Thank you for watching.